This is a feature-rich smartwatch from No.1. It's a sports fitness device, fully waterproof. It's got your step count, calories burned, and distance travel in general. It's got a full health section with heart rate and last night's sleep time. You've got messages tethered from your phone if you have any wanting to be read. You've got a built-in compass. You got a full exercise complement that includes GPS-tracked things like walking, running, climbing, and cycling. And then you've got swimming in your waterproof watch, or treadmill, and then sports like basketball, badminton, or football. You also have watch faces, a selection of 3 different ones, an analog and 2 digital ones, and settings. Inside the settings, you've got GPS and 2 other systems that can be used to track you on Earth. You can turn vibration on and off, sound on and off, play with the contrast, and reset the phone if you'd like to too. You get about information, and you have back to your steps. So all in all, it's a really nice standard fitness watch, fully waterproof, the F18 from No.1.